Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into VistaCreate, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the VistaCreate website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your email address associated with your VistaCreate account. After entering your email, input your password in the designated field. If you want to stay signed in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Double-check that your email and password are entered correctly. Once you've confirmed your information, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your VistaCreate dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. After successfully logging in, you can start creating and designing on VistaCreate. If you encounter any issues during login, ensure your internet connection is stable. You can also clear your browser's cache and cookies to resolve any potential login errors. That's it. You're now logged into VistaCreate and ready to begin your design journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.